Welcome and thank you for watching this video tutorial on Refugee Travel Document. By the end of this video, you will know what a Refugee Travel Document is and why you may need one for travel. You will learn the requirements for applying for a Refugee Travel Document. And you will learn the steps for applying for one. What is a Refugee Travel Document? A Refugee Travel Document is a document issued by the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS. It is for individuals with refugee or asylum status. It is also for lawful permanent residents, also known as green card holders, who had refugee or asylum status. A Refugee Travel Document permits international travel and re-entry to the United States. If you are in the United States on refugee or asylum status, get a Refugee Travel Document before traveling. It is essential for your return. Why is a Refugee Travel Document important? Refugees who leave the United States without a Refugee Travel Document risk serious consequences. They may not be allowed to re-enter. They may also lose their refugee status if they use their home country's passport or return there. How to apply for a Refugee Travel Document? To apply for a Refugee Travel Document, you must submit Form I-131. For more information visit uscis.gov/I-131. To apply for a Refugee Travel Document, you must meet some requirements. You must have lived in the United States as a refugee for at least 1 year before applying for a Refugee Travel Document, and must submit supporting documents along with Form I-131. You must submit the following supporting documents: a copy of an official photo identity document, for example, a valid state identification, proof of refugee status, for example, I-94 arrival and departure record or a valid employment authorization document. After you submit your application, you will receive a notice from the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services with instructions for a biometrics appointment. You must attend this appointment to provide fingerprints and photographs. United States Citizenship and Immigration Services may schedule an interview to verify your eligibility and gather additional information. Refugee Travel Document processing times vary. It usually takes 3 to 6 months from the filing date. However, this estimate may change based on many factors. Apply well in advance of your trip to ensure timely processing. If you have urgent travel plans, contact United States Citizenship and Immigration Services or an immigration attorney for guidance. Additional guidance. A Refugee Travel Document is valid for up to 1 year from its issue date. Check the expiration date when planning your travel. If you plan to travel, make sure your Refugee Travel Document remains valid throughout your trip. You can renew your Refugee Travel Document before it expires. Apply for renewal about 6 months before your Refugee Travel Document expires. This allows time for processing and ensures you have a valid Refugee Travel Document for your travel needs. Refugee family members can apply for a Refugee Travel Document. Each family member must submit their own application and supporting documents. Make sure to follow the same process as you did for your own Refugee Travel Document application. If you have questions about your family member's eligibility or documents, consult an immigration attorney. Thank you for watching.